Hey there, planetary kin. So a dear friend has asked if I would share about the colors of the Tzolkin. The red, the white, the blue, the yellow, what you can see in that Tzolkin over there. So it represents many things. Most indigenous cultures have worked with those four colors: red, white, blue or black, yellow. It's the medicine wheel. It's the red is the fire, it initiates. It's if you look at all the red glyphs, you have the red dragon, who's the mother that births, that initiates, the red serpent that is instinctive and fiery, and the red moon that purifies, cleanses, but it's an active cleansing. The skywalker that explores and expands, and the red earth that initiates backwards, looking at the evolution of time and synchronicity. And so it's fire, it's active. The white is refined and so you have the white wind, which is the channel that comes down. The white world bridger, which is to surrender, to let go. The white dog that just wants to merge and become one. The white wizard that is the receptor, the shamanic receiver. The white mirror that cuts away, takes everything down to its bare bones, to its base nature, to reflect the truth of what is. So all these white energies are sort of, I feel them feminine, they're receptive, they're reductive, they're coming all down. The blue is transformative, it's water, it likes to change things. It depends on where you put it in the spiritual, physical, emotional, or mental plane. So there's the 4 planes through which we experience, which are the 13 tones. So if you put the blue energies on the physical plane, it might transform cells, and so it might be healing on that level. And the 4 energies are the blue night, what is in the collective unconscious, in the dream time, the abundance to transform. The blue hand, which heals and changes. The blue monkey that wants to push the edges and change things. The blue eagle that's way back and looks for the creative vision of how to bring change, of what vision is needed for which change. And the blue storm, which just transforms everything and is the moment before we to the sun. So that's the blue energy. It likes to change things. The yellow energy is more projective and creative, and that's more masculine in nature. So you get the yellow sun, which gives itself, and then it radiates its light. The yellow seed, which is growing up into flowering. The yellow star, which is creative, wants to create, the artist, create harmony. The yellow human, my will, which is, its opposite is the white, which is thine will, the wind coming down. So yellow human, my will, to my wisdom, to create culture. The yellow warrior that is on the mission, like to the quest I on, to question, to use one's intelligence to question the nature of fear. And then it goes back to the yellow sun. So those are all the yellow energies: projective, creative, bringing to fruition. The white energies: receptive, feminine. The red energies initiating, fire, and the blue energies bringing change, transforming. So that's pretty much my perspective on those 4 colors. It also represents the 4 root races on the planet. So we have the red peoples of the Americas, the white peoples of Europe, the blue-black peoples of Africa and Australia, and the yellow peoples of Asia. So it also has that. I mean, it's pretty infinite, you will find, you may add to those revelations and find other things as well. But that's that's what I have to offer to you today. So wonderful to keep sharing the wonder of this divine matrix, this harmonic matrix that is the essence of all life. This wonderful holy grail of revelation and recognition of who we are and what we're doing here. So blessed be, have a wonderful day, and talk to you again soon, no doubt.